Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Damie Alabi. If you're coming for the first time, I am a Nigerian lifestyle blogger and YouTuber based here in Ogun State, sometimes Lagos, Nigeria. It depends on where you want me to be. I can be in Lagos, I can be in Ogun State. Where the money is where my heart is now. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a 2019 Gele style that I am loving and rocking at the moment. Like 2019 Gele is like, hey, don't go and kill yourself, you know. Life is easy, like Mr. Easy. I don't know, I'm so excited, but like legit, see, Geles, you don't have to kill yourself anymore. You don't have to spend hours and hours, you know, between please 1, please 2, please 3, 1,000, hello. Just twist and talk, you know. Life doesn't have to be hard. So without further ado, don't let me talk too much. So you ma fẹ́ jọ pa yín tẹ́ bá gbà mí láyé mi ní pa yín lórúkọ Jésù. Ma fẹ́ jọ bà tí yín jẹ́. Ǹjẹ́ kí n fẹ́ jọ pa yín. Ọlọ́run ní fẹ́ jọ bà tí yín jẹ́ lórúkọ Jésù Kristi. Àmín. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. This is the Gele I am tying. I've been tying a lot of Aso Oke Geles on this channel. Let me know what you think. I don't think I've ever done a single Gele video. Okay, I have. That was like 3 years ago ish. And you know, we're going to come back to that. Let's just tie this Gele first. So first thing you want to do is divide your Gele and you want to create pleats. So I'm going to be creating, how many should I do? I'm thinking 3. So let's just create 3 pleats, I beg. Let life be easy for all of us. So I've got my pleats here. I like the color against my skin. So this Gele, you don't necessarily need to divide it into equal halves because we want one hanging something. I don't know what they call it. Now we're going to take this to the back and we're going to bring it forward. We're going to twist this one like so. Office pin is your friend though with this style. We're just going to pin. Can you see what it's Yoruba? Then we're going to take the second one and twist as well. Then at this point where the Gele is supposed to meet, we let go. Let it go. Let it go. So we let go. This is what it looks like. Can you see? So at this point where they meet, not necessarily that, you know, when the Gele is meeting you let it go, but because Owo Gele I'm going to pin it with office pin. Now we have this bad boy. I'm going to show you 2 styles. You can either have it in a fan Gele style, say create the pleats and it looks like fan Gele, so it's just very pretty looking, and then you shift it to the back, or you open it up. So that's what I'm going to be doing for this video. You can have it like this and then you move the Gele to the back, or you open it up. So I'm going to open it up because it kind of looks more pretty like that to me. Then this part I'm going to open up and pin down. This right here is the finished look. It's a very easy to do look, and one thing I also really like, I had to go and wear it. I think I should take off the earrings. One thing I love about this Gele style is that you can tie this with short Gele. You know, many times you buy a Aso and the Gele is short. This is perfect in case you don't want like all the pleats, or you can't achieve all the pleats. Just twist it, open it up like Furadie, and you're good to go, you know. Yeah, I said Furadie, I know. Thanks so much for watching. My name is Damie Alabi. Feel free to go through my channel. I have some other 2019 Gele styles in the playlist somewhere there. I have a whole Gele series. I bet you I have nothing less than 20 videos in my Gele series playlist. And check out how to stone, how to bead, many more things that I hope you love. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button if this is something you like or something you'd like to see more of, and I'd like to see you around more. Also, drop me a comment letting me know what you think. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.